Hello everyone, I am JN Carinal. I am currently studying in TMLCR and I am also a fourth year student in which is I already passed the first semester and I've already paid my tuition fee which amounting this, and I would like to I want you to know that the donations and sponsors is still open for my tuition fee because I already enrolled this morning for my second semester, which is this amount. I have currently I currently no job. I have part time, which is they paid me 400 a day, but I only work once a week. So it's not enough for me to pay my tuition fee. So I'm asking for your help for my school or tuition fee. Any amount is big help for me. And I would like to thank my friends, my sister, my auntie's friend, which is Sir Jamie, Sir John Bergin, Sir Sam, Sir Daniel for their help. They give donations for my tuition fee, which I paid some of my last semester. This I would like to give thanks to you all for your help, which means a lot to me. Also for my family, I would it was a blessing to us to have you, and I'm so grateful for my auntie for her help for this and for everything she's done for me. And I would like to uh, thank you all for in advance for your help, and that's it. God bless you all. Thank you so much.